Remember how Anna and Ben were struggling in the kitchen? Do you remember what the name of the game was? Yes, Prisoner's Dilemma. Now, let's see what happens when there are more than two people involved. Celeste moved in, and now the three of them share the kitchen. It seems that it should be easier to keep the kitchen clean now, as there are more hands available to clean. But is it so? Just as we did before, we'll make some assumptions about the situation and about the players. First, we'll assume that each person can choose either to clean or not to clean. Second, they all share the same attitude. They like the kitchen clean and they don't enjoy cleaning. And we'll assume that there are only two things that influence their preferences, meaning what they'd like more of and what they'd like less of. Those two things are the cleanliness of the kitchen and the cost of cleaning. Let's assign some numbers to these two factors. Let's start with the cleanliness of the kitchen. The more people clean the kitchen, the cleaner it is. Let's assume that each person has a cleaning power that increases the cleanliness of the kitchen by 2 points, if used. That is, if someone cleans. If nobody cleans, the kitchen is just dirty, so no points for the joy of having a clean kitchen, right? Kitchen's cleanliness, 0 points. If one person cleans, the kitchen is a bit cleaner, so everyone can enjoy, let's say, a clean table. Kitchen's cleanliness, 1 person times 2 points. It means 2 points for each flatmate. If everybody cleans, the kitchen's cleanliness is worth 3 people times the cleaning power of 2, 6 points, again, to each flatmate. Let's look at the cost of cleaning now. We'll assume that the cost of cleaning is 3 points. This cost is borne only by the person who decides to clean. Let's just stop here for a second. How many points will each of them get if they all clean? The correct answer is 3 points. They would get 3 points each. 6 points for the cleanliness of the kitchen minus 3 points for cleaning. Now, we'll look into this situation the same way we started with Anna and Ben. In order to see what is going to happen, we'll investigate this situation from one person's perspective. We'll see how Celeste can make her choice depending on what the others are doing. So, we'll be looking for her best responses to the other's behavior. Anna and Ben are cleaning. Celeste enters the kitchen. What should she do? What if she cleans? The kitchen cleanliness is 3 people times 2, 6 points, but Celeste bears the cost of cleaning. Thus, her total number of points is 6 minus 3. She gets 3 points. If Celeste doesn't clean, the kitchen is dirtier than before. Only 2 people cleaning times 2. 4 points of cleanliness. But Celeste does not bear the cost of cleaning, so in this case, she gets 4 points. Obviously, 4 points are better than 3 points, so Celeste's best response when Anna and Ben are cleaning is not to clean. Let's rewind. Now Anna is cleaning, but Ben is not. Will it change Celeste's choice? In this case, if Celeste cleans, there are 2 people cleaning and Celeste has to bear the cost of cleaning. Hence, her total number of points is 2 times 2 minus 3. 1 point. If Celeste does not clean, only Anna cleans and Celeste doesn't have to bear the cost of cleaning. Hence, her total number of points is 1 times 2, 2 points. 2 is better than 1, so Celeste's best response is not to clean. Again, will it change anything if it is Ben who is cleaning and Anna is not? Not really. The situation is exactly the same as before. Let's rewind one last time. Now, neither Anna nor Ben are cleaning. Will Celeste clean? If she cleans alone, the kitchen cleanliness is worth 1 times 2, 2 points. Celeste's total number of points is 2 minus the cost of cleaning of 3. That is minus 1 point. Doesn't sound nice, right? If Celeste doesn't clean, the kitchen is completely dirty and Celeste does not bear any costs. So her total number of points is just 0. 0 is still better than minus 1. She doesn't want to be a sucker. Celeste won't clean. Celeste's best response is always not to clean, no matter what. And yes, as they all perceive the situation the same way, none of them will clean. This is a paradox. This game is called a multi-person prisoner's dilemma. In the next steps, you will have a chance to think about it more.